Here we are. I can't see the sign. Yep, I see the sign. Okay.
We made it here.
You got it? Yeah.
We made it to here. We're going to get the party started. We're going to do some magnet fishing, some archaeology find. We're going to search for metals, guns, knives,
Oh, Jerry, don't
whatever,
say not guns.
whatever we can find. We're here at Yorba Regional Park, and we're in Anaheim, California. So we're going to get this party started. Let's have some fun. Let's have the fun of the whole day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Three.
Yorba Regional, here we are. First cast of the day of the magnet fishing archaeology find. We'll see what we can get. Here we go. Hanging it slowly.
That's Grandma.
Good. Here it comes. Probably get a hook or a lure or something. And we got
Seaweed.
seaweed. Nothing. All right. That's it. Talk to you later.
Okay, Grandma got a little teeny nail.
Teeny tiny nail.
Look how tiny it is. And this Jerry.
Look what I got. I got a bell and a swivel. Just caught that right now. Right here at Yorba Regional Park. We're still going at it. I caught a couple swivels and I caught a hook earlier. So we're still catching stuff here. I mean, we might not catch the murder evidence, but we caught magnetic rocks too. So there's a magnetic rock and a swivel and a bell. All right. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. This is the lake we are fishing at. And I got the hook that Mike caught Moby Dick. I don't know who would fish with such a big hook at this lake, but this is the hook I just caught. Okay, well, we're continuing and we're catching more as we go. Mom and Robin have caught swivels and we've got hooks and nails and
I
not
get
much
caught
more
nothing.
in this lake. Huh?
I didn't caught nothing.
Nothing yet? Whoever catches it.
Woohoo!
Been down there a
Like
long
somebody's pipe or
time.
something. Somebody's been smoking
That
some goodies down
Bolt and a screw.
there. I don't know what that is. It's pretty weird.
Mom found a lure. And I've been fishing over there and I
Really
didn't
nice
see it.
lure. That's really sweet. That's
Cat's Master Tackle Company.
nice.
Woohoo!
What's up? Don't move it.
A little bit of cash money.
Yeah. I was over there and I
$5
didn't find
lure there,
nothing. Okay.
Here it goes, the first cast.
Dragonflies.
See what we get.
We got a little island over across this way. Because over there, there's more water.
I thought you said I couldn't catch gold.
Got a golden hook. Record that hook. Got it.
Mom got a golden hook. I can't see it. There you go. Yep. A golden hook.
Here comes the first cast for me.
I try to get the bag out.
Probably get
Wait a
nothing,
second.
but
Just put it. Let me have it.
Mom got the best part.
I get it out. Don't worry
Oh,
about it.
that's your thing.
And there's nothing as of yet. Nothing.
We will. See you later.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Well, this is the last cast of the day after the second consecutive week of getting stuck on me, and then somebody had to go save my magnet. So, you know, last cast of the day, we'll see what we get. This is it.
It's a little baby.
Hi.
I don't have anything, honey.
Yeah, I got crackers in my bag. Oh no, they're in the car.
Yeah.
Hi. You're so cute.
Did you come down want to see what we were up to? I love you. I love you.
Jerry, look at the squirrel.
He wants to pull it in.
Hey, squirrel, what you doing, buddy? I'm coming in with last tattoo today.
Oh, he's so cute.
The only thing that's productive about this area is getting stuck.
Hi.
Got a bottle cap.
Oh, he's so cute.
And there is nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Okay, I'm looking at the
Yeah.
squirrel. Where's the squirrel at?
I know, squirrel guy.
Where is he? Oh, hi. Hi. I wish I brought my crackers. I
You
give
want to
you.
go home with us? Come on,
Oh,
buddy. Hi, baby.
he's so cute.
Bud? You're a cutie. Come on, let's go.
Jerry.
Go home.
Oh my God, Mom, look at him.
Let's go home.
He's right next to Jerry.
You're so boring.
Hi, cutie. We don't have anything, honey.
You got your crackers.
In the car. They said don't feed the animals. Look at him. That's a baby squirrel.
A hungry baby squirrel.
Hi.
The hungry baby squirrel.
Hi. You're so cute.
Baby.
You must really be hungry in order to ask people for food.
Oh, there's more. Look how he eat like a beaver. Make sure nobody sees us feeding.
You must have been hungry, huh?
He
Yeah.
must be Ashley's friends. They must be cousins, honey. He's down here at the river and the other one's up there at the desert.
Yeah, one's with Ash and one's here.
Oh, he's so cute.
I've never been this close to a squirrel.
I never have either. That's why
Just a
he was
baby.
coming towards
His
me.
mama's gonna scold him.
Well, one went in over beside the tree with there he is, right there. There's another little one with the.
Where, sweetie?
Come over this way.
Did you throw anything for him?
No. Okay, we are leaving this park. We
Yorba
was
Regional Park.
feeding some baby squirrels. We're not supposed to, but we did. But it's pretty
Canadian geese and
cool. Canadian geese.
got the magnet stuck and
Is it
got
doggy?
it out. Mom saved it again.
That's why Mom don't wear nice clothes.
Threw me to the sharks.
Yep. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
See the
Threw me
geese.
to the sharks.
See the
Look how beautiful. Just span that whole
Never
area.
would.
Never would what?
Just go like
Throw it
that.
to the sharks. Look at how this lake is.
This is the lake that we were just at.
That's probably the best part of the lake is right here.
Oh, we can-
There wasn't too much of stuff in here, but
Oh, honey, the whole bag is a quarter full.
got little stuff like hooks and sinkers and,
Okay.
and lures.
Bye-bye, lake.
Bye-bye. Catch you later.
Okay, now I notice that.
1968 Air Force One Helicopter, Richard Nixon.
You done, sweetie?
I
Yeah.
can see him climbing out of it this very moment. But I don't think he actually tripped like. There's Tricky Dick's house, Richard Nixon. What a great place. I broke the window when I was going to elementary school here. Haha. We used to rolled A.J. Lowitz down the street in a ball. When we play in a playground, we got in a round ball and rolled him down onto Yorba Linda Boulevard. Rolled him.
Well, this is the stuff that we got today. 3 bells, a lot of hooks, a lure, and don't know what the hell that
Little
is.
ball thing.
Oh, sorry. It's supposed to be over here. A magnet ball. Don't know what this is. Don't ask. Shisha. And this.
A metal ball.
Don't know what all the stuff are. Okay. Bye.